So a friend of mine has been trying to get me to join the dark side of woodworkers. I'm more of a metal and plastic type of guy myself. But I think she finally found a way to spark my interest. Yep. Definitely a proper woodworking tool. I think this is my new favorite thing.
It sounded like fun. And easy. You just have to watch it. Oh.
Boom.
Yeah, right.
When they touch.
Yeah. Come on, you can get
Come
there.
on.
You can get there.
Yay!
It wasn't as exciting as I was
No.
hoping.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so badass. How close do I dare get? Okay, so now it's found a continuous path.
Yeah.
And now it's just going to sit there
Yeah.
and burn, so we should probably
Yeah, we should probably turn it off.
Alright. Powering down. I'm wondering how long it'll take to cool off. Well, immediately. That's pretty neat.
Wow, look at that.
That's really cool. I'm going to power it back up just to see what it does.
Yep.
Oh, that's so cool. This would be an awesome nightlight if you could actually have a... Oh. Damn it! Reset.
Yeah, this is the kind of thing that I would expect to like flip your, yeah.
Yay, UPS.
Oh no, if you could like string it along with like LEDs or something.
Yeah.
To make it not super dangerous. I wonder if
What, you think this is the...
clearly you should just like run high voltage through a piece of wood and have that be a light.
Yes. But it's cool how you can see the actual path of the current.
Yeah.
Now the trick to all this is a concentrated solution of baking soda, plain old baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and water. And you take a brush and smear it all over the wood, drive a couple nails for electrodes, and hook it up to your woodworking tool there. So, like most things involving high voltage, this is a stupid idea. You should never try it, and has the potential to hurt a lot. But, you know, only briefly. Ooh.
This may be big enough that we need to turn on or add water to it.
Yeah.
It's not doing as cool things that I would have hoped. And
Yeah.
the softer wood seemed better.
Yeah. Slower to start. I see it fizzing. Oh, there it goes. How close do I dare get? That's about it, I think. Oh, oh no!
What happened?
We evaporated all of the good stuff. I think that's the problem with the short path, is that it'll just evaporate and just kind of stop.
Should we
I think
unplug in wet?
I think we should unplug in wet. Oh. Sure.
Can try that. To get my water out. That's easy. Okay.
Take two, try two. Okay, it's hot. I see steam. Oh,
That's
in the middle this time.
It's fast. Maybe it's actually conducting enough of the current just through the water to get out to there.
Yeah, well. Involuntary step backwards. Oh, it's definitely on fire.
Okay. Maybe that's where
There we go. Fixed.
Yeah, it doesn't like the indirect path thing so much.
No.
It's not such a fan.
Alright, this was what? Poplar? No, what did you say?
poplar.
Poplar?
I'm pretty sure it's poplar.
Going hot. Wait, double check. Alright. 2.2 amps. 120 volts.
So we both like stick our faces.
Closer, closer. I'd rather not learn if this works on human flesh.
Just don't press yourself down with water and baking soda.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, I guess it just needs to reach that particular concentration.
All that good progress it's making going off the edge.
Yeah. This one smells nicer. No.
Yes?
No.
Not really.
No, not anymore.
Cause like I would think fir smoke would probably smell better than poplar smoke. Cedar smoke would smell good. Should have brought some cedar.
Some cedar.
I don't know.
Stop it. It looks kind of cool.
It does look kind of cool.
Alright.
Going towards each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like this one turned out really nice. Like, this one's really cute. Kind of looks like a Christmas tree.
It kind of does.
You could make like artwork with like trees made like that.
Oh. Ow, my eyes. Alright. Watch the yellow.
Oh. This is looking like it might be more tree-like.
Yes. This looks good. I know what we could do. We could take a piece of copper wire
Yeah.
and like lay it across. That might be something cool. Instead of like using a nail for one of the electrodes.
Hmm.
Looks like yellow is winning.
Yep.
Look at the shrubbery. If only we could preserve the glowing.
Yeah, I
That'd
know.
be perfect. Glowing trunk.
It'd be super cool.
Alright. 5, 4, 3, now. A little closer.
Stop the next. Okay.
It's cool to see it start back up too.
Yeah.
Flash. Oh boy. It's like Christmas lights.
Yeah.
Deadly, deadly Christmas lights. Alright, probably should kill it before it ruins something
Oh no, I kind of like that like offshoot that's going on right
that's
there.
going on.
I mean,
Like looking at that, maybe some, you know,
we should probably get glasses on.
yeah. Camera isn't picking it up very well.
Mm.
It's blowing out on the contrast.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, skateboard.
Come on, skateboard. Oh, there we go. Now it's shooting, although I dare not touch the camera right now.
Huh.
So here's the transformer that we've been using. It's just a little neon sign transformer. 2.2 amps at 120 volts. 4,000 volt secondary at 60 milliamps.